This is the perfect choice for drivers seeking full 360 degrees coverage, intelligent surveillance, and remote access via smartphone. Whether for daily driving, parked security, or professional use, this dashcam offers ultimate peace of mind. All-around monitoring, ultimate safety for your car. For channel 1080p Full HD cameras, simultaneous recording from 4 angles, front, rear, left, and right, never miss a moment. 360 degrees panoramic coverage, capture everything around your car, whether you're driving or parked. Loop recording, automatically overwrites old files when storage is full, continuous recording with no interruptions. Advanced technology, smart and convenient. Built-in GPS, accurately records your route and location, perfect for evidence or review. Wi-Fi connectivity, instantly view and download footage on your phone via mobile app. Superior night vision, WDR HDR clear, sharp images even in low light or at night. 24/7 vehicle surveillance, peace of mind. 24-hour parking monitor, keeps an eye on your car even when the engine is off. G-sensor collision detection, automatically locks important footage to prevent overwrite in case of impact. Smart features, designed for user experience. Compact design and easy installation, mounts discreetly on your windshield without blocking your view. Low power consumption and stable power supply, reliable performance even when parked. Wide compatibility, suitable for most car models, even for non-tech-savvy users. Key benefits. Complete 4-way protection, real-time surveillance ensures you catch every incident. Trusted evidence in legal cases, GPS tracking plus clear footage equals strong documentation. Perfect for professional drivers, taxi, rideshare, or delivery. Record and review every trip with confidence. Ideal for 1. Drivers needing multi-angle, complete recording. 2. 24/7 monitoring without worrying about full memory. 3. Those who want smartphone control via GPS and Wi-Fi connection. Description. For a channel driving camera, 1080p FHD DVR camera is composed of a front lens, a left lens, a right lens, and an optional rear lens to cover as many as possible directions when you drive. Crystal clear image. The 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and 3-inch large LCD screen of the camera can capture clearer videos even when driving at high speed, allowing you to watch important moments again. The left and right lens can be rotated independently to record the front and cabin images. Built-in Wi-Fi module, simple and easy to operate, you can view device videos and images in real time through the app. Note, the Wi-Fi function is optional. Night vision and 24H parking monitoring. The cabin camera has an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights. In addition to producing incredibly clear recordings, its image performance will be far superior to that of other driving recorders at night. These 3 cameras also integrate the latest and most sensitive night vision image sensors, so they can capture stunning images even in pitch-black spaces at night, recording 24/7. Loop recording and G-sensor automatically overwrite the past videos when the memory card is full. G-sensor will be activated when there is a collision to lock the key video you need and prevent it from being overwritten. Description. 1. Resolution, front 1920p plus left 1080p plus right 1080p plus rear 1080p. 2. Pixel, 1920x 1080 30 frames. 3. Lens angle, 170 degrees. 4. Screen, 3.0-inch IPS. 5. Loop recording, supported. 6. G-sensor, supported. 7. Parking monitoring, supported. 8. Mobile detection, supported. 9. Memory card, up to 64 GB. 10. Power interface, USB 2.0/5V 2.5A. 11. Battery, 150 mAh with protective plate. 12. Frequency, 50/60 Hz. 13. Language, English, Chinese, Korean, Russian, Japanese, French, Italian, German, etc. 14. Working temperature, -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Quality, 5 stars. 2 ways to connect the rear camera. Number 1. If you connect the red cable to the positive power supply of the reversing light, the rear camera becomes a reversing camera. When you drive the car in reverse, the rear camera will work as the reversing light is powered on. When you drive the car normally, the rear camera will not work and record. Only when you drive the car in reverse can you see the recording of the rear camera on the main camera. Number 2. If you do not connect the red cable and only connect the rear camera to the main camera, then the rear camera will work with the main camera. Whether you are driving normally or reversing, the rear camera will always record and work, and you can see the recording of the rear camera on the main camera screen at any time. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.